supplies: paper lantern with expander, tissue paper circles in 3 colors, balloon light, liquid glue, and paintbrush. To begin, first we're going to need to assemble the paper lantern, and you do that by expanding the paper lantern, and then you need to figure out which is the top and the bottom. The top has a much wider opening, as you can see over here, and the bottom much smaller. The top also has these plastic loops over here, and we attach the expander to those. And this is the expander, and these little what I call ears are what you're going to use to attach to the paper lantern. And that's where the light bulb goes, and these notches are for attaching on the bottom. Next, insert the expander at a slight diagonal with the notches going in first, and make sure that they're sitting flush on the bottom opening. Then gently pull up a loop over one of the expander ears until the ear is sitting inside the loop. Then repeat on the other side. I find sometimes that minor adjustments have to be done on the bottom because you want that expander to be sitting right in the center. Now, before you start gluing, you need to figure out 2 things. 1, in which direction will you be going in, and 2, where to place the first circle. Notice that there is a wire set in a spiral pattern in the lantern going towards the left. That is the direction you will be applying the tissue circles. As to where to place the first circle, take 1 circle and place it on the bottom of the paper lantern to meet 2 points. The circle needs to overlap the extender by about 1/8 of an inch, and the top of the circle needs to just touch one of the wire rings. Once you've found that spot, remove the circle and apply glue so that it covers the space between the rings. Then place the first circle over the glue and gently tap down. Next, apply glue to the left of the circle just under the top ring and all the area underneath it. Place circle number 2 over the glue, making sure that you overlap the first circle by about 1/3 and press gently. And then repeat. This is the process you are going to use for applying the rest of the tissue circles. First, apply glue to the left of the circle. Place the next circle over the glue to overlap the previous circle and press down gently. Now, once you have one whole rotation done, meaning you are back to where you started, you are going to jump over 1 spiral. So now you'll be applying glue to 2 negative spaces. That is the space between the spiral wires. Continue with the process until you have 3 layers of the first color done.